Are you watching? Are you out there? All right, it's in the water. 1, 2, it's sinking. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, they whacked it. 8. Man, they're running everywhere. Well, maybe there's too big a piece on there. Oh, there we go. I got him. That's catfish. Yeah, catfish love fried chicken. Look at him bend that rod. Staying down. Look at that. First one's a rod bender. Yeah, channel cat. Alright. He's gonna scatter the school down there. Look at him, he's got the spins. Man, no wonder they like coming aboard. They get a free ride. It's like a carnival. Hey, mellow out, mister. Mellow. Hey, hey. I said mellow out. Whoa! He's goner. He's a goner. Well, that was fun. Let's get this catfish slime off of the line here. It's the only bad thing about them. Ah, it's not a bad thing. Alright. That's the first kaboomba. Man, they are just whacking the crap out of that thing. Oh, I got one. There's some big catfish trying to eat him. I swear. They were after his ass. That's not a bad shell cracker. Not a monster that we're used to, but still respectable. Mellow out, Mr. Shellcracker. You're little. That was a pretty good diver. Yeah, he was. Looks like we can maybe get another one on the same piece. That's how good that chicken skin. This is fried chicken skin from Winn-Dixie. Got a lot of leftovers because it wasn't quite done. Oh, there he is. I got him. Red-eared sunfish. Oh, we did a double. A 2.5. Matter of fact, the chicken liver maybe. Like, don't eat the chicken liver. There we go. Got one. Oh, he's a little doinker. Little doinker. A fish a fish, right? He's lucky we don't use him for bait. Hey, Mr. Mellow out. Wow, a quadruple with a half twist. A 4.5 with a half twist. That's incredible. Check a drag, you go. Here it goes. Got him. A little bit bigger. Still not a monstrosio. Come here, mister. Hey, hey. Mellow. He's got the spins. Well, he wasn't a very good diver. He caught a little bit of the edge of the boat there. Let's we'll switch the baits on him.